Hi there, welcome to this amazing masterclass that is vibe coding for beginners. I am Sheikh Saifullah. With the past 1 year of experience as an AI prompt engineer, I have found these amazing AI tools in which it helps me to build the amazing solutions. It can be a web app, it can be a sales landing page, it can be a website just by describing my requirements in the form of prompt without relying on the developers or coding. So if you are the developer or the non-programmers, so this course is going to be amazing for you. Okay, so vibe coding is nothing but designing any solutions by describing your requirements. Okay, so for example, if you are looking to create a website web app and you are looking to turn your idea into reality within a few minutes or without hiring developers and wasting time coding tools, so you can use this vibe coding to build the amazing solutions by using AI without writing the single line of code. Okay, so in this masterclass you are going to learn how to use ChatGPT and lovable.dev, bold.new, Stitch, and other AI tools to create the amazing web apps and website and landing page for your product and services to create within few minutes without hiring a developers, without knowing the knowledge of coding. You can easily create the amazing solutions by just describing your prompt, okay, here, and you can develop such more and beautiful, attractive, amazing designs after this course by using lovable.dev and bold.new and other AI tools as well. Okay, so in this course we are going to learn so how we can use this particular AI tools, that is lovable.bold.new, to create the amazing websites, web apps, and landing page without depending on others developers or without wasting your time. You can create by describing your requirements in the form of prompt in the plain English. Okay, that is simple. So after this course you have the ability to create any solution, that is it can be a web app, it can be a website, it can be a landing page. You have the ability to create the amazing websites within few minutes without wasting the time in code and without hiring a developer and without paying to someone to create these amazing solutions by yourself. Okay, if you don't have any coding language, you easily you can join this masterclass to master vibe coding, to master these tools in order to create the amazing websites within few minutes instead of wasting the time, okay, on the coding. That is, this is for the beginner and nobody else want any experience for this vibe coding. Okay, it is for everyone and it can help you to save a lot of time and to create the amazing websites, web apps for yourself, and you can turn your app idea into reality without just relying on developers. Even if you don't know how to write the prompts for creating the web apps and landing page, I'm going to provide the exact prompt templates you need in order to create and develop web apps, landing page, and website for yourself. So these prompt templates can be editable according to your requirements. Okay, we will dive into for the basic introduction. So what is code vibe coding is? Okay, let's dive into that. So what is the actual meaning of vibe coding is? So vibe coding is nothing but it is a software development that heavily relies on AI, particularly LLMs. Okay, that is large language models like ChatGPT or other things. Okay, to generate code based on natural language prompts. So what happening here? So instead of writing the code by yourself to build any website, any web apps, right? So instead of writing the code by yourself, you can write in the natural language text format. Okay, that is called an prompt. You can describe what design you want. Okay, what functionality you are looking to include in that website or web app. Okay, based upon your instructions and prompts, it generate the code and as well as the design of your website or web app. That is simple. Okay, the vibe coding is nothing but instead of writing the code by yourself, the AI will write the code for you based upon your prompts. Prompts is nothing but writing your requirements, describing your design, web app design or website design that you are looking to build by using AI tools like lovable.dev and bolt and other AI tools as well to generate amazing websites or web apps by describing your requirements in the form of prompt in the AI tools. That is simple how we can uh, understand this vibe coding is. Okay, so what is the uses of this particular vibe coding in this AI's world? So this method allows developers and even non-programmers to create functional applications by describing their desired outcome in plain English, with the AI handling the task of the writing the actual code. So this is the amazing time saving AI tools and technology in which we are going to use our prompts. Okay, prompts means nothing but your requirements and describing your design functionalities and all those things in the form of text in the plain English. Okay, you can write it and it will automatically write the code based upon your prompt and requirements, and it will design the web app or website very effectively and easily without wasting any time. Okay, so this method allows developers. Okay, so right now if you have already developer or the even if you don't know anything about coding, so you can create the websites very easily and fastly without hiring the developers or even reliance on the other friends or any members to create the website or web app. Okay, you can create the by yourself, you can learn it, and you can create amazing solutions by using vibe coding in this AI's world. Okay, so if you are a developer or the non-programmers, it can easily help you to create the applications very easily. Okay, by just describing your desired outcome. Okay, in the plain English. Okay, that is simple. For just an example, I will show to understand better thing. So I will go to the lovable.dev. Okay, it is a tool we can create something websites or web apps by just describing it. Okay, so just to go, so I will show the each and everything in the next section, but for the understanding purpose we are here the lovable.com and we will write simple create a website. Okay, we can take anything, create a blog website for technology niche. So this is our requirements. Okay, it is a prompt, right? So when we give to this particular lovable.dev AI tool, now it will start creating the website for our requirements. According to this prompt, it will generate the code as well, and it will automatically create the website for us. Okay, it is based upon your prompt, it will create all those things. Okay, you can see I will create a modern beautiful technology blog website, right, with a clean design, responsive layout, all those things. So it is a prompt, right? Now it is writing the code by itself. Okay, this is called an vibe coding. Okay, instead of writing the code by yourself, you are writing the prompt here. Okay, it is a prompt and it will writing the code by itself. Okay, by AI itself, which is called an vibe coding. Okay, so the AI is taking the code handling, right? It will handle the all the code to create the amazing solution for you. Okay, let's see how the things will show. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes and we'll see what happens here. Okay, right? So you can see it is created the stunning technology blog website with our requirements. This is up to our prompt. Okay, you can see here. So it is few features are hero section, navigation, header, okay, featured articles, category grid. So it is all the things that AI has created for us. Now you can see it is a preview section. So this is our blog website for the technological purpose. Now you can see this is a simple blog website. You can use it for your blogs, all those things. Okay, we have used a simple prompt to create the amazing website. Okay, to automate all those things, right? Now you can see this is the front end code, right? It looks like better, right? So you can do these things by simply just giving here. Okay, this is the design. You can see the code here. Just come to this is the code. Okay, this code is written by the AI according to your requirements and prompt. Okay, it is handle all the required code by itself. You can see here, even if you don't know about coding, you can create something very amazing websites or web apps by yourself by just describing here. Okay, this is called a simple what is an vibe coding is, right? And you can create so many things with the lovable.dev and other AI tools as well. So in the next section, I am going to show how you can create the sales landing page for your product and services. Okay, with by using lovable.dev, bold.new, and I will show some free ways to create all those things by yourself. Okay, so let's jump into that session video. So we are going to learn how to use Lovable and ChatGPT to create the landing page for our product and services without coding. Okay, let's dive into that. So I am giving this whole prompt. You can get from the document. You can see whole prompt template that you can use to create the sales landing page for your product and services. Okay, I will show step by step how you can edit this particular landing page prompt, and you can use in the Lovable. That is a great AI tool to create the website's landing page, and we will see how we can create in less than few minutes. Okay, so I will just copy this particular whole prompt template and just come to ChatGPT and write analyze this prompt template. Now what happens here, the AI will analyze our prompt template. Now you can see this prompt template is very strong and well structured for guiding AI to create an effective conversion optimal landing page. Okay, you can see some, it has analyzed our prompt template very well, right? You can see all those things. Okay, so what we need to do here? Okay, so for example, if you have already the product or service landing page, or if you are already hosted the product in any third party website like Udemy, Skillshare, or anything where you are, so you have taken the title, some you have already have the description, product or service description, all those things. If you don't have, what need to do, you just come to here and you need to give the, you need to edit the answers from directly here. Okay, for example, let's just edit here. Now what you need to do, if you have the details of your product or services, okay, if you have that details, you can easily come here, you can edit all this here. Okay, for example, okay, who are the ideal customers, include demographics, needs and key points. You can easily come here and you can easily insert from directly here, or you can, if you have already the PDF details of your product or services or website link, we can provide here, just like in above prompt, just add these details, add or add my product details, and update the prompt. Now what happens here, if you already have the product or service details, so you can easily include with the file. Okay, you can add from the Google Drive, Microsoft Drive, and you can add the photos and files as well from your computer. In that case, the AI will analyze the whole product details and title, description, all those things, and it will update the whole prompt, right, with these particular sections with your details. Okay, which makes the landing page personalized for you. Okay, that is simple. For example, I have created the course and have hosted in so third party platform. Okay, third party course selling platform. So I have gotten that particular personalized course link for me. Okay, I will, if I provide this particular link here, okay, let's see this how we can include this link. Now I will include my course link detail here. You can see here, this is the simple course detail link that have hosted my whole course in third party platform. You can see here, I just told to AI in above, just add my product details and update the prompt. Now what happens here, the AI will automatically analyze my course, hosted course in other third party platform, and it will gather the details from it, and it will automatically write the answers for me. Okay, it will edit the whole template for me, and it will give the updated version of whole landing page prompt. Okay, instead of writing by myself, it will easily create all the things to this particular landing page. You can see how it, you can see this is the whole landing page template. You can see now I can easily copy whole the prompt. Okay, and I will use this whole prompt in the landing page AI creation tool to automate all those things. Okay, instead of giving the answers by yourself here, okay, in the prompt itself here, I will just use the AI to save the time and to create the whole prompt to create the landing page for my product and services. I hope you understand these points. You can include the link of your product or services that you have already hosted the details and codes, or any other product, or you can easily give the answers for each. You can edit the answers for each section, okay, by yourself from here, or you can include the files and details of your product and services. Then the ChatGPT will automatically gather the information which is required to the AI to create the whole prompt in order to design our landing page using AI tools. Okay, now I will copy this whole updated version of landing page creation prompt. Okay, and I will copy that, and I will come to Lovable, which is great AI tool. Okay, we can create so many websites, web apps using just by writing the prompts instead of coding. Okay, if you are looking to learn more about the Lovable, you can check it in the YouTube or online search. Okay, I have just come to here, and I will paste particular whole prompt to here. Okay, now yes, now it is analyzing all the thing, right? This is our whole prompt, automation prompt. Now it will automatically create all the sections, FAQ sections, all the landing page essential sections in order to create the compelling and attractive design for our landing page. Okay, you can get the idea, all those things from here, right? You can see the spinning preview. You can preview your whole landing page from here, and you can update all those things by yourself here. Okay, now you can see the invite button. You can add the super base. Please go and check the what is the benefits of using super base and all those things in the Lovable. You can check it all those things by yourself in the online search or in the YouTube. Okay, so our landing page, we do not require any integration, like we do not require the super base, all those things for our landing page. So as we know, the landing page is a single page website in which our objective is to create some compelling action to take the user to complete our lead qualification or to complete our purchase, like that. Okay, so for that we are not using anything here super base. Okay, we are just creating some single page landing page to purchase our product or to submit their details, right? So for that we are using this landing page to sell the course of me. Okay, so in my case I am using this Lovable to create the landing page to sell my course. Okay, so for that I have just you've already seen the how we can return the prompt by using ChatGPT itself. We have already seen in the previous session, right? So now we will see how the landing page looks like sell my course online. Okay, let's see that. You have the daily 5 credits, only 5 credits you will get per day, in which you can try out all this Lovable by yourself. Okay, so for that you can use all this prompt that I have shown in previous one. So it will save your credits day by day, and you can create the amazing solution for yourself. Okay, now you can see it has generated the something happened. We will see, try to fix it. So sometimes the AI will see some generate some issues also. You need to click on the try for fix. Okay, it will automatically fix it. Okay, this is not a problem. You can see, I can see the issue. The problem is with the SVG background pattern URLs in both components. So it will take and it will fix automatically by Lovable itself. Now you can see you can add a detailed course description, add a student reviews to build trust, create FAQ section to answer common questions. You can add all those things from here only. You just need to give the guidance or requirements to AI chat here. Now it will automatically do the things for you. Instead of writing the coding or instead of you hiring the developer, you can do by yourself with just describing your design, describing your idea. With that is simple. Okay, you can create the amazing landing page for your product and service. Now it is taking time. Now it is fixed the whole errors. You can see here. Let's see the design of our landing page. Wow, it's a great thing. So you can see this is a simple landing page that I have created, right? So in order to sell my product or services. Now you can see this simple landing page. You can see what is it. That is cool one, right? You can see here. Master prompt engineering basic to advanced. This is a whole course, right? Watch preview. They have some errors also. We can see this is a what you will learn, right? So master core concepts, advanced prompt patterns, real world application. This is the things that the user will learn from my course. And you can see plus you will get exclusive bonuses, templates, real projects, lifetime updates. And unlike other courses, this is one actually works. Now you can see project based learning. This is the simple sections that has created by the AI in order to create the landing page. Okay, you can see this is a simple great project that you can see. This course versus others, you can see, right? And enroll, average rating, star rating, completion rate. You can see a real prompt examples you are master, right? Now you can see the watch preview also. So learn from industry expert. It has also I included the instructor section. You can see here learn more about your instructor, which is great one, right? Alex engineering. You can add your image also here. That is how you can use this particular Lovable to create the amazing landing page to increase your conversions and purchases. Now you can see FAQ section, all those things. Okay, don't let the opportunity pass you by. Now you can see all those things. So when you think this is a great landing page, if I think, because it has some amazing sections like pricing section, FAQ section, it has created, okay, some review section and instructor section, and you can see what you will gain, what you will learn section. That is great one, right? So it is looking okay. It is good when compared to other also, because when you go to try by yourself, when you go try to create landing page using the AI tools, just copying the code and pasting in the different AI tools and checking all those things, you can use this Lovable to just describing your ideas and the requirements in terms of text or words. It will convert that into design. Okay, that is great one, right? So you can use all those things by here. Okay, now what you need to do, this landing page is simple single page, right? So we have the two buttons, that is enroll now and watch preview. So what you need to do for the watch preview, you need to add your simple introduction video to YouTube, okay, and make it private and copy the YouTube link and come to here. Just say I will take any of video to show you as example. So I will take this example, right? Copy this video, any video of your, okay, you can add from anyone. Okay, not only YouTube, you can add to the drive and you can add anywhere. You can host your video anywhere and copy that, share a link and come to here and just tell to AI, add this link to watch preview, watch preview button. Okay, not only that, you can add enroll now instant access button link also. So what is the enroll now instant access button? So you need to add the payment link page or other action link that you want, just to create and host it everywhere, anywhere, and you can create that particular link and just tell to AI here. And I will take, for example, I will take the same link in order to show you it whether it will work or not. Okay, I will show you. Add this link. Okay, so I will take, for example, I will take another page or all those things for your better understanding. So I will take this example. I will take this Google Stitch example to show you whether it will work or not. Okay, come to this and add this link to enroll now button. Now what happens here? Now these two links, the lovable AI will add these two particular links to these particular buttons. Okay. Now you can see I will update the button links and fix the TypeScript error. All those things you can see here. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to create the codes payment page or other that you are looking to take the details from the user. Okay, you can take that link and you can tell to AI just add the particular link to the enroll now button, and you can see watch preview. You can do anything by just adding the link here. It will automatically create all those things for you. Okay, now let's see how it will works. And not only that, you can easily check here mobile preview, tab preview, all those things. You can see this is a responsive, which is great one. You can see this is one. Now you can see the simple that is, and you can see this is a great landing page for the mobile also. You can see here, right? Okay, it has amazingly created all those things. For the watch preview, what happens here? It will take this particular link or YouTube video. Okay, let's check that out. So I will come to here and I will take this is for the website. Now, when I create this watch preview, it's take me to the YouTube. Okay, you can see here. Now, you can easily host your video wherever you want. Okay, in the YouTube or the Drive, just take that link and come to this AI and tell to AI, add this particular link to this particular button. Then it will takes all of your work. Okay, now you can see the enroll instant access. When I click here, it will takes go with the Stitch with google.com. So I have used this simple for the sample details you can see here. Okay, now you can use all these things by yourself, these things by yourself easily, right? Not only that, you can check here also enroll now. It will take me the Stitch with google.com. Okay, that is simple how you can use this lovable to create the landing page for your details or for your product or services you can do. So not only that, you can easily tell to AI remove the particular section, add the additional section wherever you want. Just you need to guide the lovable to do the things for you. Okay, for example, if I tell to AI to remove the, let's take that. If I tell to AI remove the instructor section, what happens here? It will automatically remove this particular instruction section from this landing page. Okay, not only that, it will, if what you need, you can add anything, right? So you can add anything, you can remove, you can change the color, you can change the boxes, all those things by just describing and putting your requirements in this chat section. You can see I'll remove the instructor section from the landing page. Now you can see there is no instructor section in this landing page. You can check it out here easily. Okay, there is no instructor section in this landing page. Okay, so this is how you can edit and you can change the color, all those things from just using this particular chat section, and you can describe each and everything that you want. Okay, and you can preview all those things from the tab in the phone, how it looks like. Okay, and not only that, you can just sync your project to GitHub if you already have the knowledge about coding, GitHub and Superbase as well. Okay, you can publish out, and you can see the code preview also if you have already seen this particular code. Okay, robots.txt file, components what it has used to generate all those things by yourself. Okay, if you have already have the coding knowledge, you can use all those things by yourself. You can copy and you can create your own files in the VS Code, all those things. You can do all those things by yourself, right? If you have the coding language, okay, knowledge and coding language, you can easily see this particular landing page by yourself. You can use it, you can master it, and you can easily change by yourself for your requirements. Okay, not only that, you can easily integrate the Superbase. Just click on the connect to Superbase. You can easily go from here, connect to Superbase. It will takes to the API access, and you can need to create the account, and it will just take automation. So for you, if you are looking to learn, you can watch tutorial, see docs, all those things, and you can see this is a simple your workspace project settings. You can easily check it out, right? And you can remix this, rename project, delete this project, all those things, labs, you can get that. And Superbase GitHub. Okay, plans and billing, that is very most important thing. If you look this particular pricing plans, you can see this is a free one, right? 0 per month. You do not need to pay the single dollars also. You will get the 5 daily credits. Okay, what is the daily credits? You can see. So I have used the particular, this is the one credit, first credit that I have given the prompt. Okay, now after that, this is the second credit. Okay, I have used it. So the third credit is this one, and the fourth credit is this one. So the credit means the instruction that you have given is called an credit. Okay, this is a simple 5 credits I have for free. In order to check or in order to learn this lovable in day by day, I will get the 5 credits per day. Okay, you can use day by day for the 5 credits very free. Okay, and you can upgrade to plan, okay, for more customized features for you. And remember one thing, this is a public project. So when you publish the project from here, okay, from here, it will live to the all the public users. Okay, they can use your landing page, they can remix here. Okay, they can change the things. Okay, all those things. Okay, if you are looking to create the private landing page or website, you need to upgrade the particular plan here they are showing, in which you can easily see this is everything in plus, and you can easily create all the private projects also. You can see this is the private project, so it is accessible for you only instead of public, in which they cannot remix. Okay, so this private project, okay, for this you can use this upgrade to this particular monthly. Okay, for okay, so if you do not like to, if you love this particular landing page, for example, if you are looking to, I need to have the free and I need to create the private project as well. So if you are looking for that particular AI tool, so in the next video I will show how you can design the same uh, same particular using the prompt. So in the next section I will show how you can use the same prompts to create the landing page for you in different AI tool to to get access for the private projects and the limits and more token limits. Okay, to create by yourself, and it can be accessible for free, and which is alternative to lovable.ai tool. Okay, let's jump into our another session, and let's see what is the tool and how we can create the landing page in the. Let's see the another alternative AI tool to Lovable. So in the previous session, we have seen how we can create the landing page of our product or services using Lovable and prompt. So now let's see the another AI tool, that is bold.new, in which we can create the landing page, websites, web app by just describing in our words, that is prompt. Okay, let's see, you can easily write the prompt here, and you can add the many files, and you can use the enhanced prompt, all those things by yourself. You can easily learn about the bold.new in the YouTube, all the resources they have given. Okay, you can check it all those things by yourself, YouTube, Discord, LinkedIn, and you can get access to community, and you can see the pricing section. Okay, let's see first what is the pricing section here. So this is a free plan you can use here. There is a 1 million tokens per month. okay, and 150K daily limit. If it doesn't know about that, what is the token, all those things, you can learn from the YouTube easily. And you can see this is the major benefit of using this bold.new is we can create the public and private projects. That is great one. So when you compare to the Lovable have only the public projects you can see here, okay, for free. Okay, so in order to create the private projects that is accessible to you only, you need to upgrade this particular pro plan. So in the bold.new it is not required, right? So this is a great one about this bold.new. So you can create the private projects and public projects as well, and that is up to this particular bold.new. Okay, and you can easily upgrade to this particular one also. Okay, now let's see, this is what is the M1M tokens. It is a 1 million tokens you will get for per month for free in order to generate the code and create the solutions for you. Okay, let's check it how it will works. Okay, now let's jump into that. So I will copy this same prompt that I have used in the Lovable previously. Okay, and let's check the how the design looks like in the bold.new tool, and we will discuss all those things in the few seconds. Okay, I will copy this particular same prompt and I will just paste into the bold.new AI tool. Now let's see the how it will the landing page looks like. Okay, now it's taking time. Now you can easily export the code as well and you can deploy it. And that is a great one about this bold.new is you can create the private projects. That is great one. Okay, for the free you cannot get the same access in the Lovable, but when you can get in this bold.new AI tool, which is great one to create the amazing landing pages, web apps for free using simple writing the prompt. Okay, now you can see here that was generating the all the things required files by itself. Now you can see I have created a comprehensive production ready landing page for you, Udemy course that incorporates all the essential elements for the maximum conversion. Now you can see this is a simple landing page that a bold.new has created. Now you can see this is a similar color, all those things we have seen in the previous landing page, because we have given our design with just some color, right? You can see this strong CTA. So which is a similar thing when compared to the Lovable also. Now you can see this is a great one, right? You can check it all the same code, all the things by yourself. You have the coding language you can use and you can integrate by yourself without any paying the single dollar to this particular AI tool. Now I can see this is the, let's see how it looks. Now this is a similar thing that Lovable has generated. Now you can see all those things here, watch preview, and this is a what you will learn things. Okay, and why this code stands out, that is great one. This is a section is looking great, and this is a simple meteor instructor, which is a simple and very effective, right, when compared to the Lovable. Okay, I can see this is the what students are saying, and this course. Okay, and frequently asked questions. You can see does AI or program experience required. Now you can see ready to begin the prompt engineering expert. You can see simple landing page. Now, so let's compare both and we will see which one is great one. Now you can see this is a simple landing page that I have, that lovable.dev that created. You can see this is the thing what you will learn and what you will get, and the prompt engineering course available. Okay, which is a great one. This also have the great things, right? So which will showing which is the benefits and offers, all those things, which is a great one, right? Okay, it is a recognizable course, right? For that we can easily improve our conversion rates, all those things from here also. And bold.new also created the great one. You can check it all those things here, watch preview, enter no button, what you will learn, right? And why this code stand out, you can see specific advanced technique, lifetime access, meet your instructor, what students are saying, frequently asked questions. So what happening here, this is a simple landing page, but this landing pages doesn't contain the recognizable reviews, okay, or recognizable numbers or other things in order to trust this and in order to purchase this particular course. Okay, now when compared to the Lovable has a great recognizable points and sections proves that the every student can purchase this, right? Because they have the students numbers, 5-star reviews, rating, what are the rating, what is the completion rate, and what are the some reviews, and you can see all those things from the, which is a great one. Okay, it is a detailed landing page that how the it looks like to take the action by user to purchase it or to submit the details. Okay, which is great one, right? They have some issues, but that is a great one when compared to the bold.new. But it is a simple design, okay, and it is required from to include the sections. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you just come to the here and you can tell to add the same thing here. Okay, let's come to lovable. Let's see our next thing, that is adding the links. Okay, I will copy the same thing here and I will come to the bold not to you. I will just copy this particular thing. Now what happens here, it will just automatically add this particular links to this particular buttons. Okay, now you can see this is one. I will update the landing page to add the YouTube preview link and the Google Stitch enrollment link to the respective buttons. Okay, now you can see here. Now it will automatically add the links to this particular buttons easily, right? So we have seen the comparison between the lovable landing page and bold.new landing page. Okay, so after that, so I use the lovable landing page for my course because the lovable has the great details. Okay, more details about my course, which covers the instructor details and code section, benefits and free bonuses and detailed reviews, all those things in which I can trust and I will take the purchase and action, right? So in this case, this is a simple thing, which is great one. Okay, but this doesn't have the detail and some reviews. Okay, social proof, which is not a great one, right? So that's why I think the lovable landing page has a great potential when compared to this bold.new generated landing page. Okay, you can create all those things by just describing and checking all those things by yourself. Now after that, it will just add the links how the lovable.dev has added the link to this particular button. It will also include the same itself. Okay, the great thing about this bold.new is you can create the private projects. Okay, and you can export the code as well, and it doesn't get the in the lovable. Okay, to download the code, you need to upgrade to paid plan or to edit it. Okay, you can just copy by yourself, which takes time, but the bold.new you can just, when you click on that, it will automatically download the whole code for you. Okay, now I can see it has generated all the things, YouTube preview link and Google Stitch enrollment link added, all those things for here. Okay, when I click on it here, it will takes to the YouTube, sorry, Google Stitch that the lovable AI has done. Okay, that is now how you can use this particular bold.new and the lovable to create the landing page, all those things by yourself. Okay, as well as I said, you can integrate the Stripe, Superbase, GitHub. So in the lovable, we doesn't have the Stripe, but that bold.new has the Stripe, in which you can easily integrate the Stripe button for the your product to sell, to purchase, all those things by yourself. Just you need to come here, you need to tell to create the purchase page for my course. Okay, for your product and services using the Stripe. So it will show the step by step how you can get the API from the Stripe. Okay, just click here, it will take to the Stripe, and you need to create the account, all those things. So I cannot show how you can use this Stripe because in my country it is a limited for the users, so I am not have access for this account, so for that I am not showing it. So you can follow the some online tutorials, all those things by yourself, and you can use the Superbase, all those things by just you need to verify and you need to just to tell to AI, so create this one. Okay, all the things by yourself, that how you can, you are looking to create the landing page by yourself, you need to describe here and you will get the all the things by using this bold.new as well. Okay, you can deploy it. When you click on the deploy, it will automatically deploy to the particular application. Okay, you can use this. I will show in the next section how you can create the similar landing page for the free using cloud. Okay, for free without depending on this particular bold or lovable.ai to pay them per month. Okay, you can create for free without any coding language. I will show in the next section. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? You doesn't depend on this particular bolt or other AI tools to pay the per month, or you can easily create the similar same landing page just using the other AI tools for free. Okay, let's dive into that. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the similar landing page for our product and services using some free steps. Okay, using free without writing the code. Okay, instead of depending on this particular AI tools. Let's see that. So first you need to do, just click on the full screen button here. Okay, you can easily come from the lovable or the bold.new, creating the landing page from the lovable or bold.new. What you need to do, come this section and come to here this button, open preview in the separate tab. Okay, you can click here and you need to connect to the project, right? You just click here, it will take automatically to connect the project and it will create the preview link in which you can see this one. This is the preview link. Okay, so now what you need to do, just come to the Chrome extension and you need to search for the scrolling screenshot tool. Okay, and just click on the add to Chrome. So I have already added this Chrome extension to the Chrome, already you can see here. So what you need to do, just come to the whole landing page and you need to click here. Okay, click on this particular extension icon and you can easily take the screenshot of any selected area, full page or anything you can see here, and just click on the full page. Now it will, what happens, it will take the whole screenshot of your landing page. Okay, now you can see you can download from here directly and you can see this is the screenshot we have taken. Now come to the cloud one. The cloud is the best AI tool which to create the landing page or to write the code. Okay, though when I use the different AI tools, but I find this cloud is an amazing AI tool to write the code or to create such a amazing websites by writing the code. Okay, so how we can do this, we'll see here. So just come to here and you need to add this particular image to here. Okay, upload a file and you need to upload this particular screenshot to here. Okay, just open it. Now it will take this image. Now you can see just right here, create the landing page similar to I provided. Now what happens here, it will automatically create the landing page for you by writing the code. Let's see how it will works. Let's see how it will work. You can see this is what image I have given, the screenshot of our landing page, and this is the instruction that I have given. Now it will start generating the coding for me based upon this particular image. Okay, now it will, let's see how it will looks like. Okay, after a few minutes, now it is generating some HTML and CSS file as well. Now you can check. And remember one thing, this cloud AI has some limit for this context window. Okay, so there is a limit for the free users. You cannot write the so bunch of code, okay, out of this context window. So you need to jump to another you need to create the new session to write the code again. So this is the some drawback of Cloud 4. So to you need to upgrade to get the more limits. Okay, you can get all the details from the pricing section of this particular cloud one. Okay, you can get from that. Okay, now it has started generating the CSS and HTML file. If you don't know about the coding, so there is no problem in it. I will show how you can create these files in the VS Code and you can just to see how it looks like. Okay, you can see all those things in this video. Now you can see it is simple HTML file and CSS file, future sections. Now you can see all those things. You need to create some folder and you need to copy and you need to paste this code and you will get the landing page for you without knowing any technical knowledge, coding, or even you do not depend on this particular AI tools that is lovable bolt.eu, and you can easily create this one by using just cloud one. Okay, now that is, let's see, this is our landing page that we have created based upon the lovable all bold.new. We have given this image like this and we will get the landing page here. This is one how we can looks like, right? This is amazing simple landing page that looks like our given landing page that is created from the bold.new, that is you can see here. Okay, you can change all those things by yourself. This is simple landing page that you can see. Okay, so how we can get this? Okay, for this you need to come to the code section, right? You need to copy this particular one. Just to copy this and come to the folder. Okay, you need to come and need to go to this one. I need to create some folder. Okay, let's take name landing page. Okay, and you need to come to this VS Code. If you don't know what is a VS Code, if you are looking to learn, you can get from the, there are many videos in the YouTube, you can get from that. Okay, you need to come to this file section. You need to open the folder. Okay, you need to select where you have created the new folder, that is landing page. Okay, you can find from the here. Okay, I will select this folder. Now I need to create some file, new file. Okay, that is one. You can just easily come here, add a new file, and I will give the name for the index.html. So what happens here? This is a simple file I need to give. So I have copied the whole code from here. I will just copy this and I will paste in this particular file. Okay. Oh, now this is the simple file that I have created. You need to come here. You need to save it. That is simple. Now you can, if you come here in the, you need to go right side corner. Okay, in the down you can see this go live. Okay, just click on the go live button. It will start generating. You can, this is our landing page that you can see, which is similar to our this bold.new. Okay, you can see this is a simple bold.new landing page, which looks like we have seen in this thing. This is one. This is one we have created using the cloud. This is one we have created with the bold.new, right? That is simple how you can use this cloud to create the for free. Okay, you do not require to depend on their bold.new or Lovable. You can easily use this particular cloud to create the landing page without knowing the any coding language. That is, the vibe coding is very powerful skill in this today's world to create amazing solutions just by describing your words requirements in the text format. Okay, this is how you can use, you can create this particular landing page for free. So this is only for, it will works only on your laptop. If you are looking to host this particular, host your landing page, we can come to Firebase hosting and you can get started with the Firebase hosting. You can easily, it will show how you can easily host your particular website landing page by using Firebase. You can get all the details from the Firebase session, or you can get the YouTube videos in which they will show you. You can learn how to host your particular website to this particular Firebase hosting, in which you can get the link, your landing page hosted link, and you can use wherever you want. Okay, and this is another step you can, how you can create the free landing page for your product and services without knowing writing the code. So for the design purpose, you can take the inspiration from the bold.new, okay, or Lovable in order to create the similar landing page in the cloud, or you can use this for free bold.new. Okay, this is your link, right? This is your link. Easily you can take this and you can take you wherever you want, and you can sell your product and services through this particular landing page, and this is your link. Okay, that is how you can use this particular Lovable bold.new and cloud to create the landing pages, and you can learn from it all those things. Okay, instead of using the cloud, you can use other tools as well, like ChatGPT, Grok, in order to create the landing page. But the cloud is the best coding editor AI tool in this market right now. So for that, you can use this particular cloud to create the amazing websites or landing page for your requirements. I hope you understand these sections very well. Okay, let's see our another session, how we can create the website by using these tools for free. Let's jump into that. In the previous session, we have seen how we can use different AI tools like Lovable, bold.new, and cloud to create the landing page for our product and services, right? So in this session, we are going to see how we can use this particular AI tools, that is Lovable and other AI tools, to create a particular website for ourselves. Okay, So in this session, I am going to show you how you can create your portfolio website. Okay, you can create any website like a blog website or anything, any website you can create with this prompt. I will in few seconds I will show that how you can create the whole website prompt in seconds. Okay, so I will show all those things in this session, right? So let's see how we can create this. So you need to come to this prompt. Okay, so I will give this prompt in the document you can get from that. That is a website builder prompt, so it is the easy one. So with this prompt you can create any type of website, like can online store, business site, or blogs, or even you can create with your portfolio website. Okay, so in this session I am going to show how we can create portfolio website using AI tools that is lovable. Okay, let's dive into that. Just copy this whole prompt template from the document and come to ChatGPT. Okay, you can use any AI tool. I am using the ChatGPT. Just paste here. Now what happens here? Let's tell to AI, analyze this, analyze this prompt. Now first the the ChatGPT will analyze it. Now you can see this is an excellent structured prompt for requesting a website design and development task. Okay, so this is a simple task. Okay, that I have given in the prompt. Okay, you can check all those things here, right? So now what we have to do, so for example, to create a portfolio website for yourself, you have the all the experience projects you have done, or the previous experience you work with the companies or any clients. So you need to mention all those things in portfolio, right? So what happens here, so you need to do two things. Okay, if you have already other portfolio website, you can take that particular link, or if you are updated your LinkedIn profile, you can take any social media LinkedIn profile link and you can paste here and tell to AI. Okay, so I will show how you can do this. Okay, so I will tell, now I am providing my details in resume. Okay, so you can use any resume. If you already have any resume or CV, you can upload direct here, or you can easily include the link of your portfolio website or social media link or LinkedIn a profile link in order to extract that particular data of yourself from that particular social media, and it will check and it will automatically create a perfect and easy portfolio website prompt that we can use in the Lovable to create the amazing portfolio website. Let's see how we can see. Here I am using my resume in order to combine my details with the above prompt that I have given to ChatGPT. Okay, let's see how we can use this. So I am providing my details in my resume, or in consider that details and update the prompt to create personal portfolio. Okay, I have given, just I have instruct to the AI. Now I am providing my details in my resume. Consider the details and update the prompt to create personal portfolio website. Okay, so which tells to this particular chat GPT to create, so just to create the prompt to create the personal portfolio website based on my details in my resume. That is simple. Okay, I will provide my resume in the form of file. Okay, let's give my, this is my resume. But it has done. Let's see what happens here. You can see, based on the details in your resume, here are the updated prompt tailored to create personal portfolio website that reflects your skills, experience, and accomplishment as an AI prompt engineer. Okay, this is my whole experience and all the skills that I have given in the resume that is extracted from that particular PDF, resume PDF, and it will update the whole prompt in order to create each and everything easily without just doing by myself. It has taken the automation, right? We can see here. This is a whole prompt we need to use in the particular website AI tool to create the portfolio website. Let's see. Okay, let's copy this whole. Let's take. Okay, this is the whole prompt we need to use. Just copy it and come to Lovable and just paste it. Now you can see. Now it will start creating the portfolio website. You can follow the same steps in other AI tools that you like. Even it can be bold.new, and you can go any AI tool like Firebase Studio. Okay, you can use any AI tool to create the personal portfolio by just this prompt, okay, that I have shown you. You can use this same particular prompt in other AI models as well to check which AI is generating the best and attractive portfolio website for you. Okay, you can do all those things. So in this session I am going to show for Lovable only. So I am giving assignment to you. Please go and try out bold.new and other AI tools as well to check which one is generating the best portfolio website for you. So I am just showing the lovable.dev. Okay, I hope you understand these points very well. Now let's wait. So it has creating some great one. You can see I will create a modern professional portfolio website that showcase your expertise and AI prompt engineering. Okay, you can see what I built in this first version: hero section, about section, project skills, course, contact. Okay, responsive design. You can see for the first visual design I will use. So it is just telling to me what it has going to do to create this particular personal portfolio website. Okay, this is a great one, right? So with just describing our designs and requirement, it will just create the portfolio website, which is great in seconds or minutes without drag and drop or any other thing. So this is our AI portfolio website that you can see. You can see AI prompt engineer and freelance expert. Okay, you can see specialized in AI prompt engineering, NLP, no code development, building intelligent solutions, and teaching the next generation of AI professionals. Very good. So this is the simple portfolio website. You can, instead of here, you can add your photo. That is looks great, right? About me, you can see here download resume, LinkedIn. It will just click on. When you click on, it will takes to the LinkedIn. You can add from here. I will just show you here how you can do this, right? So this is the future projects. So this is the projects I have done in my resume. Okay, I have uploaded all these things. So it also created the link. Okay, you can all just when I click here, it will goes to other platform. You need to do something. I will show in the next few seconds. You can see just AI and machine learning. This is the skills and expertise of mine. That is prompt engineering, NLP, GPT models. These are my experience, right? You can see here online courses. So I have teached so many courses in the Udemy and Skillshare. That is, it has taken these things very great, right? So this is our. See, if you look here, this portfolio website is going to be amazing, right? So you can see this is a modern website which is not only showing the uh, design attractiveness, but it is also showing some providing the some value to the client in which they can easily engage with my particular portfolio website. Like they have just created the icons, right? Which is increase the engagement rate, right? You can see this is one is very good, right? You can see here reviews that's generated. Okay, this is a Skillshare, this is a Udemy. Okay, this is generated according to your resume, right? So the prompt you have given to this particular AI tool, based on that it will create it. Okay, this prompt comes from your resume or portfolio link that you have already created. You can get all, you can extract the details of your to the ChatGPT. The ChatGPT will create the whole prompt. You can use in every AI tool to check which particular AI tool is generating the best things for you. Okay, you can see this is a simple one. Okay, we can easily see the responsiveness of this particular portfolio website. You can click here, you can see home, about, section, projects. When you click here, it will go to the future projects, right? It is great one, right? This is how AI is generating all these things. Okay, even the developer can also take so much time to create all these things, right? You can see this is nothing. Okay, you do not need any code knowledge. You just need how to write the best prompt for it. Okay, that is simple. This is now how it looks like, right? It is in the form of the phone, right? You can see view my projects. You can just click here, it will take to the future project section. When you click here in the view details, it will jump into the website or details of your project. You need to attach it, right? You can see mobile application and skills and expertise. What are right, you can see here views and skillshare, and this is the courses that have created. So this is taken all from my resume, right? So this is simple, this is great one. And it also created something email. You can create here, you can edit option, you can create the email, contact, phone number, LinkedIn. Just you need to tell here, just update my email to, you can just, you can anything, okay, my email.com. Okay, you can give your own email, okay, .com, gmail.com. It will automatically replace with your email here. Okay, that looks like same we can do for the phone number and LinkedIn link. You just need to copy that LinkedIn link and you need to tell here, just add, just update my, just update LinkedIn link. What happens here, it will automatically update your all those things by itself. Okay, it is just showing this the preview of your website. You can just, you need to tell to in this chat platform. Okay, in this chat container you need to put your requirements. Okay, you can change your color of this particular, you can change your heading AI portfolio. Instead of that, you can tell to AI, just add my name, it will add that name. Okay, you can change the color, you can change the icon. Okay, it can change the all those things based upon your requirements. It will create and it will change all those things. Okay, instead of this particular image, okay, you can tell to AI, just change my, change hero section icon to provided image. So what happens here, just come to here, you can, instead of this particular icon, you can include your own photo, right? Own profile photo here, which looks like better, right? So you come to here, change hero section icon to provided image below. You can click here, just click on that, and you can easily attach anything. Okay, you can see here, click on the attach button. Now you can easily you can go, you can give any image, right? So for the portable website it is important to include your photo. Okay, for the example I will just take this particular photo. Okay, it's taking time. Now it will update this particular image with this one. Okay, it will update this icon with my provided image here. Okay, you can do anything like that. Okay, not only that, you can easily tell to AI for the get in touch, it will takes to this one. That is great one, right? Now when compared to, we can change anything like, let's see, for the LinkedIn, if you click on that, it will take to the LinkedIn page. Okay, if you give your own LinkedIn link, profile link, it will directly takes into that your profile link. Okay, when you click on the download resume button, you need to provide your Google Drive. Okay, you need to upload your resume to the Google Drive and get the share the link and just paste here. Okay, I will show all those things here. So for example, I will show it. Okay, as an example, you can do so much things, right? So for example, I have created my own website. Okay, uh, I have developed my own app, that is AI prompts app. Let's check and I will show how you can do this. This is my app, Android app. So I will show how you can do these things. So just copy this, come to this particular website, and I will tell to AI, just add the mobile application link, that is Google Play Store, to this with this one. So I will tell AI, add this link to, you can tell to AI, add this particular Google Play Store app link to the Google Play Store button. Now it will, what it will happens. So when you click in this particular button, it will takes go to the my app. Okay, why we have told to AI to add my link to this particular button. That is simple. How you can edit all those things by yourself. Okay, I will show how it will works. Okay, I'm just showing the two edits you can do for your requirements. Okay, let's see how we can do these things. That is working. Now can see. I will update the hero section to use your uploaded image and add the Google Play Store link to the Android app button. Okay, you can see this is the Android app button. So it will just add this particular link that I provided to this particular button. When the user click, or when the client, or when the click here, it will takes to the my app. Okay, that is simple how you can use this particular lovable to create the amazing portfolio website, which looks very great, right? You can see here. So I have updated the hero section to user uploaded all those things. When we see here, now you can see this is the image we have provided to the lovable. Okay, you can give your own professional photo, right? Upload here in order to, you can change anything you want. Okay, just you need to describe it. It will automatically change, update all those things by itself. Okay, when I have created the image, it is done, and now I have added this link to this particular button. Let's see it will works or not. So when I click here, it will takes me to the particular Google Play Store app link. That is how you can create this particular portfolio website using Lovable, and you can do so much things by itself. Okay, not only the portfolio website, you can create the so many things, like you can create the blog website, you can create the online store. Okay, you just need to update this particular prompt that I have given to you in the document. You need to come here, you need to paste it. Okay, after that, if you are looking to create the online store, you need to come here, right? Instead of that, you need to update this. Just remove this and come to this one, website type. Okay, just you need to take this, what type of website is needed. Okay, for the personal portfolio, you can follow the steps that I have shown you in the previous. But if you are looking to create the online store or a business site or anything, you can use this particular one. Okay, like what type of website is needed. Instead of this, you need to clear this one, just cancel it one. You need to write online store. Okay, you can easily edit each and everything if you are looking to create the prompt from here itself only. Just create all those things. What is your you who will visit the website, what are their interest, expectations and needs. You can easily click here and you can easily edit my visit website or customers, what are their interest, expectations, all those things you can easily include here. Okay, then it will automatically create an amazing prompt. Okay, website prompt. You can use this particular one and you can use in every AI tool. Okay, like bold.new and Lovable, to create the amazing solutions for you. Okay, that is how you can use this particular Lovable and other AI tools as well. You can try it out. Okay, please go and use that prompt and try it out. Different websites in the Lovable, bold.new and cloud as well, to create the amazing solutions for you. You can use each and everything with that one website prompt. Okay, that is how you can use these AI tools in this AI technology. Okay, I hope you understand these points. So with this, we have easily created the our own amazing and attractive portfolio website, which increase the engagement or the conversions, sales, all those things by itself. Okay, I hope you understand these points very well. Not only that, you can easily if you want. Okay, so when any person submit their website or name, email, message, when he clicks on the send message, okay, where it will go. Okay, for that you need to, you can do two things. Okay, you can easily create another page in which they can fill the particular name, email, message, or you can easily add the superbase. Okay, superbase is a great database in which when the person, okay, when the person submit their details, name, email, and message, the superbase will automatically gather the particular details and it will store it. You can check it out in the database. Okay, you can use this superbase also, and you can see the superbase and lovable integration, all those things details very easily. Okay, if you are looking to do this. Okay, this is how you can use all those things. If you are not uh, if you are not looking to use this particular contact form, it is enough, right? So LinkedIn profile link, phone number, your email is enough, okay, to gather the details of your client, all the HR, all like that. Okay, that is simple. This is how you can use this. So you can change things, all the you can get, and you need to you need to aware of this particular credit system. So you will get the 5 free credits day by day, okay, per day. You can try out this particular lovable, and if you are looking to want the more credits, you need to purchase their plan. Okay, so you can use all those things. Instead of that, if you are looking to create the portfolio website for free without any limitation, you can use the cloud.ai, okay, bolt website, okay, that I have already shown in the landing page. You can follow the same process. You can use this same prompt, and you can follow the same process that I have shown in this lovable, and you can create the amazing website in the bolt.new or the cloud that I have already shown in the previous landing page session. Okay, that is how you can use this particular lovable to create the amazing website. It can be the online store, portfolio website, business site. It is up to you. You can edit your prompt as you want, and you can do all those things by yourself very easily to save the time to create the amazing designs without hiring the developers in this AI world for free. Okay, that is how you can use this particular lovable. Okay, in the next section I will show you how you can create the amazing web app using lovable or other AI tools to create and to deploy the web app within minutes instead of hiring the developers. Okay, let's dive into that. In this session we are going to see how we can use the prompt and lovable.dev to create the amazing web app easily. Okay, let's dive into that. So first step is go to document, that is I have provided this whole prompt in the document. You can get it and just copy this particular web app builder prompt here, right? And just open your notepad. Just paste here. And now you need to just edit your requirements here. That is simple. Okay. Our first requirement is who are your target audience. Just let's check here. This is our first requirement. So we need to edit this particular section with our requirements in order to create the web app for the specific target audience or the specific requirements, in order to save up a lot of time in creating the design, colors, all those things. Okay, for that I will just edit my requirements for the particular target audience section. My web app idea is to create the AI copy generator for product and services, which helps the professionals like digital marketers, influencers, sales professionals to get more sales and conversions in there. Okay, that is simple. Okay, let's put our requirements here. My target audience are digital marketers, sales professionals, and influencers. Your target audience or maybe different according to your web app. Okay, that is up to you. You need to be very aware of who are target audience, because without target audience you cannot create the web app, because in today's world creating the web apps are easy, right? For that you need to be specific to create the web app. So for that you can go for the specific niche for the specific target audience in order to provide a more value and get some value in the market. Okay, for that you need to be aware of target audience, right? So for my My web app idea is simple to generate a AI copy for the product and services, and it helps the digital marketers, sales professionals, and influencers to sell their product and services easily in the ad, in the social media ads or like that. Okay, so that's my target audience up to this. And what is my app purpose and overview? So I need to edit this section. So what is the primary function of the app? Example, AI chatbot, writing assistant, code generator, language tutor. Briefly describe its core features. So as I said, my web app is simple AI copy generator, right? So for that I will write AI chatbot which generates which generates ad copy based on user, product, or services requirements. That is simple. Okay. So this is my web app is simple AI chatbot which generates ad copy based on user, product, and services requirements. That is simple. Okay. So when you comes to you, so you need to be very aware of what is your actually app solving the problem in the market, right? So you need to be very focused on the problem, then only you can create the amazing solution by using AI. So focus on the problem that you are solving in the market, then when you create that particular solution for that problem, you can build the amazing web app which save you a lot of time, save the money of the professionals, and they can, when they get the value from that particular web app, they can pay you. So for that you need to be very aware of the target audience, and you need to be very detailed. You need to give the very in detail to the AI with the app purpose and overview of your app. So that varies most important thing. And next is for core functionalities. So what are the core functionalities? So what are the key features that the app must have? Example, chat interface, file uploads, conversation history, prompt templates, voice inputs. So as I said, my app is AI chatbot, right? So for that, if you are using the different AI chatbots like ChatGPT, they have the voice input. Okay, they can user can upload their files, so they are already have in the chat section, right? So like that, my app is about AI chatbot which generates an ad copy based on the product and services requirements. So I think this all core functionalities will be helpful to the user in my chatbot. Okay, so for that I will take all those things here right away. Okay, so you can put here your requirements, all core functionalities according to your web app idea from here. Okay, next, technology preferences. So you need to be very aware of that what are the technologies you are using, because so the web app that you are using Lovable or other AI tools like bold.new, so you need to be very aware because it will create the first front end code, and you need to be very aware how the backend works and what are the backend tools and technologies or frameworks that I can use to create a fully functional web app. Okay, for that you need to know what is the Firebase, OpenAI API, Python, all those things. Okay, we are not using any of them because I am using the OpenAI API, because to generate the AI services, to use the AI services or to call the AI, we need to have the OpenAI API or other API service builders like cloud. You can take any of them you love. Okay, you like. So I am using the OpenAI API only. So I am using the OpenAI API to call the AI. So if you don't know about the what is the API, what is the Firebase, please learn from the YouTube, all those things. It is a simple thing. You need to have just an idea how it will works and how I need to do all those things. When you got idea, you can use this particular AI tools to done the work for you. Okay, you need to have how to connect the API, simple things. Then only you can create the full web app. Okay, this is the OpenAI API. I have taken simple thing. Okay, let's take UI and UX design preferences. Describe your preferred design style: minimalist, dark mode, dashboard layout. So are there any existing apps you would like to use as a design inspiration? So remember one thing, you can describe your preferred design style. It can be minimalist, dark mode, dashboard layout. Otherwise, if you have already seen any web app which looks very good, attractive, you can take that link of that particular web app and you can paste to the lovable.ai. It will get the inspiration from that particular web app and it will create like that web app design, front end design. Okay, So I am not telling you to copy that particular thing, but it helps you to get inspired. So for that, I am not recommend. You can paste the link here, and instead of this, you can paste the link here, and you will get the same web app which you copied. That it will create the design like that web app. That is simple. Okay, you can try out these two methods that you like, and which saves you a lot of time. So okay, I am using simple minimalist and dark mode type US and UX design preference. Let's take that. So I'm just minimalist and dark mode design type. Okay, that is simple. We can use this UI and UX design preferences, that is minimalist and dark mode type design preference. Okay, let's go with authentication and user rules. So as we know, if you are user any web app, okay, for example, let's take chat GPT or Lovable. So when you are when you are looking to use the Lovable, you will get to sign up the account, right? If you are submitted your name, email address and submitted, that is the authentication. What is authentication? You need to be signed, you need to create an account before using the particular web app. That is called an authentication. So for your web app, authentication plays a major role to avoid any frauds or to avoid any security risk, right? So for that, you can use the authentication. So I am not showing the whole process of this particular thing because it is easy to connect in Lovable. I will show in this few minutes. Okay, just focus on this first web app idea. So when you create the web app, whole functional web app in the lovable.other AI tools, when it will works clearly, then you need to go for the authentication and the payment integration. That is simple. I will show how can do that. So I will just type here null. Okay, and what is the monetization, if any? So as I said, the monetization is the major point for the web app. So why you are creating the web app? Okay, to make some money or to create some solution. So without money, you cannot manage all the web app functionalities, all those things, right? So monetization is very most important point, okay, in which you will integrate the payment platforms like Stripe, PayPal, like that, okay, in which you will get the money from the Stripe when the user pays plans. Okay, that it can be a monthly plan, annual plan, like that. Okay, you can use this. So will there be any payment integration, example Stripe for subscription or pay per use models? So up to now I am not showing this particular thing because due to some concerns of my Stripe, just I will tell null. Okay, that is simple. And deployment and hosting, so you need to just, so fire, as I said, you need to deploy your web app. Okay, you can directly deploy your web app in the Lovable or other AI tools as well. That is simple. This is our whole web app prompt to create the web app using lovable.dev. Okay, let's copy this whole prompt and we will jump into Lovable to create the amazing web app. Okay, let's dive into that. We are in the Lovable. Just paste here the prompt we have copied from the notepad. Okay, this is a simple prompt that we have designed in the previous session. Okay, let's give to the lovable.dev. Just click here and it will goes. Now it's taken that. So we are already discussed about the lovable.dev in the previous sessions that you can follow, okay, to learn more about this. Okay, and now after giving the whole instructions, the Lovable is generated some instructions like the app will feature, it is a simple app features that it is going to be designed according to our prompts, requirements and design style. You can see here, looking at your requirements, I will create a minimalist dark mode AI powered ad copy generator that combines modern design with powerful functionality. Okay, this is will be perfect for digital marketers, sales professionals and influencers. This is a simple web app that is created. What the app have, that is clean chat interface with real-time AI responses, file upload capabilities, conversation history, pre-built prompt templates, voice input functionality, dark theme. So this is the features that Lovable is going to create, okay, and including in my web app. You can see, and you can see I will draw inspiration from modern AI tools like ChatGPT. Okay, so it will taking the inspiration from the ChatGPT interface. So we have already used the ChatGPT for many more times. Okay, that it is Lovable is taking the example inspiration how the chat interface looks like. It is taking the inspiration of ChatGPT. Okay, that is simple and cloud. You can see here, but with a focus on marketing specific workflows, the design will use gradients from deep purple to blues, creating a professional yet engaging atmosphere. That is good. So let's wait for the few minutes and we will see how the web app looks like. Now we can see it has created the web app. Let's see. I have created the comprehensive AI-powered ad copy generator with a sleek dark theme and modern design. You can see what's the next. You need to do refine and customize, mastering, prompting. Okay, a GitHub sync. You can do all those things from here. So let's see what is the error here. Just come to here, click here. You can see here. So just click here, try to fix. No, it will again. It will try to fix it. Okay, you can see it is working on that. I need to fix the prompt error in the sidebar component. That issue is in template. Okay, not a valid export. Okay, you need to give your requirements in the form of text. Okay, and it will convert all those things into coding, and it will takes your workload easily. Okay, you need to just have the idea about what is the backend, what is the payment integration, how we can create the workflow. Okay, the logic behind the web app. You need to focus on. Okay, so for that you can simply follow any other web app functionality and you can do the same thing here by just describing here. Okay, that is simple. Now you can see it has fixed that particular issue. Now this is our web app which is looks like very great, right? You can see this is the ad copy generator. It is a new conversation. When you click here, it will again takes to new a chat like ChatGPT have, right? You can see here it is a simple AI assistant. Hi, I am your AI ad copy generator. I can help you create compelling advertisement for your product and services. What would you like to create today? This is it also created the time, and you can see this is a simple recent conversation it looks like, and this is a quick templates. When you click on that, okay, it will takes to the uh, prompt template. Okay, this is simple front end code, right? So what you need to do, just click on hi. Let's see it is working or not. You can upload the files directly from here like that. Okay, you can input the voice and allow this time. Okay, voice input error, it's also showing good. And you can send the message. Let's take hi. What happens here? AI is thinking right now. Now you can see transform your business today. Body. Discover the power of innovation with our cutting edge solution. Join thousands of satisfied customers. All the things. This is a simple template it has created for the hi message. Okay. This is simple thing. This is a simple front end which looks like you can change all those things simple by giving here. Like you can see when I click on the new conversation, it is not working, right? So for that, you need to write all those things. So when you create like this, when you have the ability to understand the different capabilities of web app, okay, you cannot directly create the web app easily here. You need to go and check other web apps functionality and their logic behind that, okay, and they when you know about that logics and the functionalities, you can use the same functionality. You can describe here, right? You can describe here to make the same logic here also, and you can build the amazing solution for the specific type of audience. Okay, I hope you understand these points. So this can be learned by trying by yourself. Okay, that's why you need to use these particular AI tools to save your time in building the basic level of work. Okay, and the behind the logic backend functionality, you need to have the idea about it to create the web apps easily. Okay, that is simple. You can see all those things. If you are looking to add something here, let's take add in simple prompt templates to quick templates section for each prompts, for each requirement, for each specific requirements. You can take this one like Facebook ad and other. So what happening here is, okay, so I'm just tell add a simple prompt templates to quick template section for the specific requirements like Facebook ad and other. So I'm just to tell to AI add the simple prompt templates for these each type of sections, okay, to see whether it is working or not. So I'll just tell to AI, right? Let's see how it is editing all those things. Now I can see I have just given the prompt here. You can see I will add specific prompt templates for different ad types to quick template section in the sidebar. Let's wait for a few minutes and we will see how it will works. So you can change each and everything if you're not satisfied with this design. Okay, you can change the color of this by just describing, change the background color to white. Okay, you can change the all the chat message container like blue. Okay, you can change these things as well. You can change the icon name, all these things by just describing here. Okay, you can see I have added the specific prompt templates for different types here. So when I click here, you can see I have added the specific prompt templates for different marketing channels including Facebook ads, email, and tailored prompt icons. Let's see, it is not working. So for that you need to come to reload here again. Let's see whether it will works or not. Again, it is not working. You can see the code here like email copy, creative Facebook ad product services, and so we have not given the specific and the clear instruction to AI. But let's do. So when I click on the any specific type of prompt template section or a quick templates section, that prompt template should be shown on separate page. So I have just told to AI in the previous prompt, just add the prompt templates to this particular quick section. When I click on this any type of this particular ad section, when I click here, the prompt should be shown here. Okay, let's see how it will create that thing. I'll create a separate template page to display the selected prompt template when I click it from the sidebar. Okay, so what happens here, you need to be very specific one. Okay, you can easily you can describe here instead of writing the code by yourself to create the page yourself. Okay, you can just tell to AI when I click in the specific button it should be done. Let's say I have created the dedicated template page that displays the when you click on the quick template. If I click here, it is again showing all those things. Let's see. That's thing. This is how it looks like. Okay, when I click here back, when I click on the email copy of the quick templates, it will take me to the another page which show the email copy template. You can see here email campaign template, which looks like very great, right? Write an email campaign for the product services. You can copy it. You can easily use template section and it will goes to the here ad copy generator like that. Okay, it is copied. Okay, this is a simple thing that you can use to create by any web app for the specific one by yourself by just describing it functionalities. You can see the mobile responsive also, right? It is a tab responsive. It is also done. This is the it is not responsive, but you can done. Okay, we have done this for this web app, right? Not a mobile app. Okay, you can turn this although by just describing it. Okay, we can convert this particular one, convert this whole web app into mobile responsive, which have okay. So what happens here, the code and the design front end code will also be converted into responsive, okay, in which we can easily see the same chat interface in the mobile also. Okay, let's see what it will happens here. We can do all those things by just describing here, right? Even it helps you to fix the problems if you don't know how to connect the super base, okay, to create the authentication as we are earlier discussed, okay, and to integrate the payment platforms like Stripe, okay, to make money, some money from your web app, you can ask the different questions to particular chat GPT or other, or you can see the YouTube videos and to understand some things, and you can come here and you can describe each and everything, you can create it, okay, without trying by yourself you cannot learn the things and you cannot develop anything. Use the web app which looks like your web app idea, and just see their workflows logic behind that, and you can describe it and it will create. That is simple. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes to see the web app which is responsive or not. Okay. Okay, you can see edited 4 files, that is mobile first layout, responsive design. Let's see how it looks like. How to measure content, mobile menu. This is our mobile responsive web app. When you click here, it will opens the slide view. Okay, you can easily close that. Okay, you can describe you can edit, you can send it here, right? You can edit each and everything by yourself by just describing, as I said before earlier. You can see a Facebook ad template. Okay, just click on that particular thing, it will opens that. Now you can see this is amazing thing, right? In just a few seconds it is converted the web app into the fully functional mobile app. Now you can see this is how the AI is working in this AI technology. Okay, I hope you understand this point. This is simple web app I have created, but you can create the very attractive, and in order to integrate the super base authentication, you need to come here. You need to tell to the just lovable add authentication and payment integration. It will suggest you, it will tell you to do the process things like that. Okay, or pricing plans, you can directly tell. So what happens here? Okay, it will automatically generate the code, create the authentication and pricing plans for you. For that, you need to create your own super base. You can see here. You need to connect your super base to this particular web app. Further integrate your user authentication, data storage, backend capabilities. You can see the lovable super base integration enables essential functionality like authentication, database storage, backend APIs. Okay, securing handling key secrets. So to get started, please click on the green super base. This is one. Okay, and the pricing plans with different subscription types, Stripe payment integration, user dashboard, protected routes. So just to come here and you can click here Superbase integration. They will show you a step-by-step process. You can easily create the account. You can easily connect all those things by simple following these things here in the Stripe or Superbase, right? You can easily connect each and everything. You can follow this and you can create the amazing fully functional web app without hiring the developers or paying the money, or without wasting your time. Okay, with the AI you can turn your ideas into reality within the few minutes, right? If you have the ability to write the prompt and requirements very clearly and very logically and very functionally. Okay, that is simple how you can use the lovable.ai. Okay, so not only that, you can use the same prompt in other AI developers like bold.new. Okay, we have already seen that we have created the so many things in the bold.new also. Okay, let's see how the designs looks like from here also. Just paste here. Let's see how this particular web app looks like in the bold.new. Okay, as I said, you can integrate the all the things, the Stripe and super base from here also. And the great thing about bold.new is they have access to private projects, right? So the lovable don't have the private projects. So when you publish here, it will goes to the public. Okay, the everyone can access to this your particular design prompts, all those things. Okay, but in the bold.new they have the private and public both. Okay, for the free plan. Okay, So I think in this case, the bold.new is a great one. Okay, you can use this bold.new and to try out the whole web app to create it by easily. Okay, so each AI tool have their pros and cons, and you need to be learned from before using that. Okay, we have already discussed each and everything in the previous sessions already, right? Let's wait for a few minutes and we will see how it looks like. Now you can see it has created the web app. You can see here it has created the so many files. Okay, you can see here, and you can see it has created the features. To get started, you need to add your OpenAI API key to environment file and include comprehensive all those things here. This is the web app that is created by the bold.new. So that is great one, right? Right. So when it is also showing API key required, but in the lovable, we cannot find this section in this here, right? But bold.io is a great one about to create the web apps, mobile apps very fastly uh, rather than the lovable. Okay, bold.new is have the great capabilities and so much things you can learn from the YouTube. Okay, because it is a templates history, so I need to provide the API key. Okay, in order to start our this particular chat section. Okay, you can see this is smart chat, yet add templates, voice input, you can do all those things. Okay, start creating, add copy. This is a new message it has created, but in the lovable we cannot done that. Like, okay, when I click here something, when it send it, right, when I click here it is not showing anything, right? Okay, you can see it is not showing the recent conversation. Okay, so I need to again tell to lovable to when I send the message, it should be create the new chat section here in the recent section. So which is another thing, but the bold.new is already know about the other web apps easily. Okay, they have the idea about other web apps how they works. Okay, so for that I have just when I create the new chat that you can take, it will again doing the things here. Okay, that is simple. You can create on the new chat, you can see it is created the new chat as well. You can just when you click on the setting button, you can delete all those things from here. Okay, this is not a whole web app functional. Okay, it is not showing the well thing, but what you can do is you can do the thing same that I have shown in the lovable by describing. You can create all those things. Okay, you need to just describe what the functionality should be, what should be done when any of the button, when I click the button, so what functionality should be done. Okay, you can follow the same things here also that I've shown in the lovable.dev. Okay, you can follow all those things by yourself, right? When I click on the templates, it can show, it can generate it. You can see here it is a great one. So if you focus on this, okay, the lovable.ai is just giving simple template without knowing the user requirements. See, let's see. So these are lovable.ai. So when I click on the quick templates, you can see Facebook ad. When you click on the Facebook ad section, okay, you can see it is a simple prompt. Okay, you can see you can copy the prompt here. But when you come to bold.new, it is creating based upon my user and requirement. That is great one, right? You can see create a compelling Facebook ad for the product and services. Okay, when I click here, for example, let's take prompt engineering course. This is my product, right? Who are the target audience? My target audience are digital marketers. Okay, what are the benefits? You can write so many benefits. Okay, uh, easy to learn. So this is a simple thing. When you click on here, it is just uh, replacing the prompt requirements. You can see here. So when I not given anything here, it is just created it is updated the details of the prompt template. You can see here. For the product and services section, it is automatically written the prompt engineering course, target audience, or like this. You can easy to see. This is a simple, easy to use prompt. You can just click on the copy, or you can click use the template, and you can easily click here to generate the add copy. Or that is simple how you can use this particular AI copy AI assistant by using all those things. So for the API key, I need to provide API key from directly here code section, right? So you need to come, it is showing that to get started, you need to add your open API key to .env file. So we need to find the env file here, right? Let's find it. Where is it? Is env file, right? This is the env file, right? Just click here and you need to focus, you need to write your own API key here. So when you paste the own API key here, it will start doing the work. Okay, it will start generating the AI add copy. That is simple. Okay, you can add it, you can do the things by yourself. Just come and just use your open API here. Okay, and you will get the things what you want. So you can come to the mobile responsive also. You can change all those things responsive. We can see here. It is not a well responsive. As I said, you can easily tell to board that you just convert the particular web app into our mobile responsive. Okay, you can see this is a simple web app. You can do the things like this here, or let's say you can see the full screen mode. So this is our web app, which is not looks great, right? So in this session, it is not showing like one. You can click here, it will goes. This is simple one. It is not in the correct format or the things you can see here. When you click on the start creating, so you need to provide anything here. So to get the answer, you need to provide API key required, right? So to get the API key, you can go to the OpenAI. Come to OpenAI. If you know about OpenAI API, it is great one. You can come to login with your dashboard. You can see from, you can get the API keys from here. You can create each and everything. Just create here a new one. So I'm, for the example I am taking test one. So what happens here, it will create the API key. Done. So I have created the new API key and I will delete later. Okay, I come to this particular new chat, that is bold, in order to see whether it is working or not. So come to the env file as the AI suggests. Okay, so I will provide the API key here. Let's save this button and let's see it is work or not. Please check your env file. Let's say again env file where it is one. Okay, now it is done. Let's see. It is showing all these things. So it will have some issues. Okay, when you don't know about that, you need to provide, let's say, instead of giving here, I will tell to AI directly here. This is my API key, please update it. So when you don't know about it, just come here and told to AI. That is simple. It is working like your developer, okay, which is working, which is here to develop the web app for you. Now what happens here? The AI will automatically take your API key and it will configure your API in the env file. Instead of doing by yourself, it can take all those things by itself. Okay, let's see it is working or not right now. Okay, use pre-built templates, all those things. If I click here, hi, okay, now it is taking the answer. Now you can see it is generating the ad copy, generated successful. Let's say hi this one right now. Let's check if it is working or not. You can see, hello, how can I assist you today with the marketing and copywriting needs today? I will tell to AI, just provide me copy for my prompt engineering course. So what happens here when I click here, okay, it will start generating the ad copy. Now you have created your own AI chat bot, right? It is how easy it is to build your own chatbot without hiring developer, all the technical needs. You can see here. Sure, here is an example ad copy and sure engineering. This is the ad copy that I have generated by just using the OpenAI API key. Okay, you can do all those things by simply describing it. Okay, this is how you can build the amazing web app by just describing your requirements, core functionality, all those things. Here, the main thing is you need to have the idea how the web apps work and what are the workflows and what is the requirement and what are the technologies that I need to create the web apps. When you have that idea about it, you can create all those things by just describing it, and for that you can just use any web app which offers the same services that your idea offer, and you can follow the same process in that particular web app, and you can describe here to create the web app like the same. That is simple how you can build your own AI chatbot or web app by using things. You can download here, you can copy, and it is working like the chat GPT. Okay, you can include the voice input, you can easily upload the file from here. It is now like working like a chat GPT for the specific thing, that is ad copy. Okay, up to now our this web app is completed. Okay, so for the technical, for the more information, you can integrate the Stripe super base by simply describing, and you can follow the same document as you can do the things. It will help you to do the things. You can see here to implement payments in your application, we need to use the Stripe. Okay, you can create the Stripe account, developer section, you can go, you can add Stripe API key in order to do the things by yourself. Okay, you can follow all those things, how it shows your requirements and steps. You need to follow this, and you can do the things very easily. You can create all those things, you can change the color, buttons, all those things as your requirement by just describing here. Okay, you can download the, you can export the code, and you can host the web app for free using a Firebase hosting. You can deploy the here only to visibility private or secret or public. So don't go with the everyone can view this project, just go with the private, and you will get the link, and you can share your link to the world. Okay, that is how you can use this board. If you are looking to learn and other ways to create a web app, please watch the previous session that we have used the bold.new cloud and other AI tools to create the landing page. You can follow the same process here also to create the amazing web app very easily. Okay, if you are looking to learn to create the amazing mobile app and web app by dragging and drop with more functionalities and logic, so you can follow my account, and I'm trying to create the course on it as well. Okay, we have another AI tools from Google, that is Google Stitch. Okay, you can use this Google Stitch to design a front end, okay, for our website or web app as an inspiration. Okay, we can try out by our prompts, all those things. It is also great tool for the designing purpose or to get idea. Okay, so it is not a effective one while compared to lovable.dev, bold.new and other AI tools, but it is a quite simple and easy to get the idea about it. Let's see. So before going to that, we have two modes. Okay, that is experiment mode and standard mode. So in the standard mode, you will just describe your design in the form of text. Okay, let's say example, create a mobile app for selling courses. So what happens here, let's create this design. Okay, so this is a great tool for the vibe coding to design a front end code. Okay, front end design inspiration, you can easily copy that in the Figma and you can use it wherever you want. Okay, if you are a developer, if you know how to code, you can use this particular Google Stitch. If you are not a developer, you can use the same design by just copying and paste anywhere you want, because it has a great coding copy section also. So we will show all those things here. The Stitch is telling us to design an app for selling courses. We could include all those things. These are the sections. Okay, so I need to confirm this is okay. Would you like to proceed with design these screens? Yes. So this is a great AI tool, okay, from Google to get inspired of that particular front end. You can design it. Okay, you can use it wherever you want to create the amazing front end which looks very attractive and so many things to include in your app. Okay, you can see this is one. Let's wait for few minutes. So these AI tools will save you a lot of time to create the amazing front end web apps or mobile apps to or websites easily. So before thinking by yourself, okay, how this particular app's front end looks like, you can use this as inspiration. You can copy the same frame or same things in your app design. This is the things you can see that this front end code for the selling courses app. You can see this is a great one, right? You can use this, you can get inspired from it, or you can create similarly like this to create the amazing course app for you. Not only course app, you can take anything. Okay, you can take any app idea, you can just tell here in the form of prompt, it will design. You can take the inspiration of this. Okay, it looks like pretty simple and very effective. You can see this is the whole screens of my course app. That is great one, right? So you can just see this complete purchase. Okay, payment method, you can see the different courses sections. You can see this is a okay nav bar, and you can see the nav bar which looks good, and this is a course details. Okay, all those things comes under this one. You can edit from here. You can copy this, just copy the Figma if you are looking to include this particular design and get the inspiration from this. Okay, you can edit directly here, from it will come, and you can change the colors from here. Okay, and you can change the numbers, all those things from here just by clicking here edit option, and come here, and it will describe your point, and it will automatically design so many things by itself instead of writing the code by yourself. That is simple how you can do this. And even you can come to edit the theme. You can color change the color of this particular theme, light to dark, and you can change the custom color, all those things by yourself, right? And even you can see the code section. Okay, you can copy this whole code and you can paste it in the VS Code or anything to combine this particular two designs. Okay, combine this front end code and back end code to build the applications very quickly instead of relying on the paid tools. Okay, other AI tools as well. Okay, this is one. Okay, this is a standard mode, right? So you can easily come to back, and not only that, you can create the web app also from here, easy. Okay, you can just write the prompt here for the web app. It will create the amazing designs. You can see here, uh, you can see the examples here how it is created for the web app. That is very good, right? You can see this one, and you can see this is created by the user by just describing line diagram. Okay, you can see. So according to this, the AI has generated this one. So you can use this experimental mode. Okay, instead of writing the prompt, even you can take pen paper and you can draw your design in that, and you can paste it directly from here. Okay, come to this standard mode and click on the experimental mode, and you will get the access to upload the image. Okay, come here and you can easily go with the mobile app or web app. Okay, just come here, upload your uh, diagram image. Okay, upload here and just create a design, and it will, based upon that your diagram, it will generate the best amazing front end design for you. So as an example we have already seen here, right? Try it out, because it will save you a lot of time if you are a developer or who are looking to use this AI for the free in your daily work life, or to get some amazing solution. You can use it, okay, to save you a lot of time to get more ideas about UI and UX, and even you can save a lot of time and make some designs very effective by using AI. Okay, sessions we have seen different AI tools, vibe coding tools we have used it to create the amazing websites. Okay, landing page and web app. Okay, you can use it very well, but if you are looking to learn the other web coding tools as well, you can come to the Zapier, or you can find the best AI vibe coding tools. Okay, you can check and you can compare all those things in the Zapier itself. You can see, you can learn from all those things. Okay, and we have some 8 different tools you can use for the best vibe coding. You can check each and everything, their comparison, their testing criteria. Okay, their features, all those things you can compare here, right? So you can use this particular vibe coding tools, or you can try out these 8 different type of vibe coding tools how we can use. Okay, we have already seen the lovable bolt. Okay, and we will see some cursor. Okay, cursor, what is that cursor? Okay, so cursor is if you are already developer, if you have the coding language and you have already built some amazing solution using coding, okay, it will help you to monetize. For example, if you have created the vibe coding app, okay, from the Lovable or bold.new, you can, if you export that particular code, you can use this cursor to make it very easy. Okay, if there are any issues you will find in hosting your web app by yourself, this cursor will help you to do the things very easily. Instead of taking you by yourself, instead of writing the code by yourself to host your web app privately with your own chosen hosting services, you can use this cursor to make the things very easily. Okay, you can use this cursor and other as well, and you can use this Vivo by Vercel. It is also a great vibe coding tool. Okay, we have already not seen. Okay, you can click here, come to this, so it will works like the board.new or like Lovable. Just need to paste your prompt here and it will take the same things that we have already seen in this. This is another tool you can use to create the amazing web app solutions by just describing your requirements in the form of prompt. You can see some starter templates. You can integrate the Superbase, Neon, Upstash, Next.js. This is a simple game that is created in the Vivo. Okay, this is a landing page and this is a website. You can see these are the some uh, templates you can directly use in this particular Vivo, and you can develop on top of that. Okay, you can follow the same process, all those things here also that I have shown already in the Lovable or bold.new. Okay, and remember one thing, that Lovable also have their own templates. You can go, okay, I have forgotten to show you, they have templates. Like you can just come here, you can see here, this is a template section. Just come to mouse down, you will find this particular templates you can find in the Lovable also, right? You can just click here, it will takes you into the uh, chat section. You can build on top of that. Okay, that you can easily do that, and you can find the template same as well in the bold.new, and you can follow the same process that I have shown in the vivo.dev and as other tools as well. You can see this is a Vivo cons and price, and it will also show the price. Okay, and this is a tempo labs also the a free error fixing tool. Okay, so if you created the web app by using vibe coding tools like Lovable or other AI tool, when you export the code, okay, when you try to run by yourself in the local by using VS Code or other a tool, okay, if you got some issues, you can use this cursor or error free fixing tool, that is tempo labs, in order to do the things very easily. Okay, you can create the amazing animations by using tempo. Let you can see here this type of Peter you. Okay, this is one great one. You can build the React apps faster than with AI using this particular tempo AI vibe coding tool. You can see this is a simple how it looks like. Okay, you can see the process how we can use this particular one, design effortlessly. Okay, this is a coding tool which you need to have some coding language, otherwise it can be done. You can see edit code anytime, you can open in the VS Code, I can push to GitHub. It is up to the coding part, but you can use the Lovable, bold.new or vivo.dev in order to create the fully functional web app with the preview section. Okay, that is great one, right? And you can use the tempo labs for the coding. If you have already experience in the coding, you can use this cursor and tempo labs very easily. Okay, this is the best vibe coding tool for the planning before building. So it helps you to plan Replit is a great one to create the different apps. Okay, you can use this one as well for the planning before building anything. Okay, it is a pros and cons, you can see all those things by yourself. And this is a base 44. It is also works like a Lovable bold.new vibe coding tool. You can easily put your prompts and it will create the same as we have done earlier. And this is a mimics also some particular vibe coding tool. You need to put your requirements in the chat section and it will create something solution for you. You can see here. Okay, you can try it by yourself. They have the own free accounts. Okay, free credits that you can use for free, and you can check and you can use which type of vibe coding tool is better. This is how you can find the best web app, their pros and cons by using Zapier. You can easily compare all those things. You can check all their features and the pricing sections, all those things from by just comparing these things in the Zapier itself, in the Google or YouTube. The best thing is just to go try it all the this 8 type of tools, okay, with one specific web app idea, and check the output of each vibe coding tool, okay, each tool, check the output of each tool, okay, and look which output is best to suit for your requirements and design, and choose one vibe coding tool and build on the top of that. Okay, that is simple how you can use the specific vibe coding tool for the specific building web apps or websites. Okay, so you have learned how to create the websites, blog website, and landing page and web apps. Okay, so by yourself, so without writing a single line of code. So what is the next? Okay, so you can create your own websites, web app. You can try it out, you can test in the market whether they are working or not, and you can build the amazing solution in this technology. Okay, so not only that, this skill will help you to create the amazing online money opportunities, like selling your services to the particular businesses or the business owners, like selling your blog website to the blog owners, okay, and selling the web apps for the founders by simply just creating the web apps using the lovable.dev or other AI tools that I have shown earlier in the previous sessions. You can use this skill to sell your services as a freelancer. You can create an account on the Fiverr, freelancer.guru.com, Upwork, people per hour. So you have so many freelancing websites. You can list your projects and you can list your services in there, and you can sell your services, okay, as a vibe coder. Okay, you can sell as a web developer, web app developer, software developer, or the mobile app developer, or the landing page builder. Okay, you can create the services by yourself as a vibe coder in these different platforms, and you can easily sell your skill through these platforms by creating the clients, by creating the websites, web apps for your client, and make some money using this vibe coding skill. Okay, so for that, and remember one thing, so always pick one specific niche for your development. Okay, first write the prompt, okay, and focus on specific niche. For example, focus for restaurant business owners. So your portfolio and your project should be looks like you are the website developer for the restaurant people, okay, and you can follow the, you can go with the specific, okay, and the best part of that is you need to be very specific in this particular field. Okay, so you cannot create the website for all members, okay, so which can be, you can make money, but it is not improve your credibility and brand value. So for that, so if you are looking to build some agency or to create a more branding value in the market, so you need to be very specific. Choose the specific niche. It can be real estate, it can be the restaurant, it can be the coaches, okay, who are looking to give the coaching online. So you can try, you can reach out to them, and you can create the free website first, and when they like it, you can connect the backend, and you can try it more design, and you can give them, and they will pay you for that. Okay, so you can use these different freelancing platforms. Not that there are so many other platforms, you can find it online. You can create the account, list your projects and portfolio, and target the specific niche of people, and it will create your orders, and it will increase your orders, brand value, and all those things. Okay, I hope you understand these points. You can go with this particular freelancing platform, or even you can build the agency, okay, free agency, by using AI agents to connect all those things. Okay, you can learn from it. Okay, and you can, very importantly, you can use your LinkedIn as a portfolio, just to go optimize your LinkedIn as a web developer, app developer, or landing builder, okay, and list your projects day by day for the specific niche of people. It can be the restaurant people, it can be the coaching or coaches, or the course creators. You can go with the specific niche, and the clients will see your projects, and they will reach out to you to build the website themselves. Okay, so for that, you do not need to have the coding right now, because you have the different AI tools, that is lovable.dev and the bold.new. You can use the tools and just put the requirements of the clients in the form of plain English, that is prompt, and you will get the design. Okay, that is now how you can create the amazing websites for your clients or for yourself, to create the amazing solution by using AI without hiring the developers, without knowing the knowledge of coding, okay, by just simple writing the things, and you will get the design in few minutes, not in the hour, not in the days and months. That is, I hope you understand these points. There are a lot more opportunities you can find out by after learning this skill. And you need to be very specific, and you need to be try out different websites prompts, okay, and you need to be experiment with the lovable.dev or other AI tools. You can use it and you can create the amazing solutions. And for that you need to practice very well and use the prompt that I have given in the document, and edit that according to your requirements. Try out different, experiment each and everything in that particular tools. And when you master these tools, that is lovable.dev and other AI tools, so you will design the amazing website, okay, within minutes by just describing the in the form of plain English, that is prompt, okay. So you will sell your this skill as a web developer services or anything to the your clients by cold reaching, by these platforms, by LinkedIn message. You can use so many things. You can learn the cold reach out, all the things in the YouTube for yourself. So there is a lot of money making opportunities for this particular skill, okay. I hope you understand these points very well. So up to now our course is going to end. If you think this course has helped you to learn something new and saving your time, so please give your rating and feedback. So up to now we have created so many things, and thanks for your attention in this course. And I will meet you in the next course. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Thank you for joining.